Hi, I'm Allie Cole, and I'm with the Ministry of Forestry and Parks. Are you ready for the countdown? Make sure you have your Shop.AlbertaParks.ca account before bookings open. Watch our previous video if you need help creating an account. Now, let's make our first reservation. Go to Shop.AlbertaParks.ca and click on Sign In at the top right corner of the page and sign in with your account. Add the name of the park you want to visit to the Find an Adventure box. Select Camping and Lodging, plus what type of site you're looking for in the drop-down menus. In this instance, we are looking for an RV site for a 20-foot trailer. Next, enter the dates you want to stay and click Search to find the sites that are available. If this is a favorite campground, then make sure to click the heart to make it a favorite. Select Book Site to find a specific campsite in the park. If you select Campground Map, you can see an aerial view of the campground. Once you've chosen your site, select See Details. Review the site details and select Book these dates. Enter all the order details, primary equipment, number of occupants, and payment details. The new system now takes Visa Debit, MasterCard Debit, as well as credit cards. Submit your booking and you will get an email confirmation. And now, you just have to wait patiently for your next adventure to begin.